Hey Austin, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. What you got going on here?
Well, today we have an irrigation installation going on, so let me go ahead and show you. So you can see we've got a bunch of our vehicles here. Everything's all trenched up. Got a lot of heads poking out, markings. I'll describe all that in a second. Well, let's start with, you want to start with how this whole job started, I guess?
Yeah.
Sure, so basically the customer found us online.
Right.
And she gave us a call. She needed an irrigation system because she was doing a lot of landscaping. Well, if you're doing landscaping, you need to water it, right? So she called us. She saw all of our videos, our Google reviews. She got some other quotes as well, but she really liked us. She really trusted us just because we had that social credit. We had that proof of, hey, you know, we can do a good job. Just like I said, through all our videos, Google reviews, our Facebook, our YouTube, everything. So she did her research on us. She loved us. She really trusted us. And when we came out, she gave us the job. So yeah, I mean, do you have any questions on anything else going on? Or?
Yeah, so what is the actual process from where, you know, a person sees our videos, signs up on the website, or texts or communicates with us? What's the next step after, you know, they've said, okay, yeah, I want to do it? So what's the next step?
Sure. So as soon as you're ready to get on the schedule, what you do is you schedule us to come out and do an on-site evaluation and collect a deposit. So basically, we'll already figure out how much your project is going to be over the phone. So you're going to know what the price is, or at least an accurate range of what your price is going to be for your installation.
Right.
Once you're ready for that, to put down a deposit of half the total, then you call us out and we come out, we confirm everything, like your PSI, which you have to check at the side of the house, your water meter, and some other things. Right. But basically, we confirm all that on site. We get half the deposit, or we get half the total for the deposit, and then you're on the schedule. Then once you're on the schedule, what we have to do is we have to get a permit. So our company is licensed for irrigation installations.
Right.
Well, the process on all installs in Texas, you have to get approved by the city. And to do that, what we do is we get your house survey, which we're gonna need from you, and we're gonna do an official CAD design of your sprinkler system. We submit that to the city, we pay all the city fees, and then we get it approved. Once it's approved for install, then we can schedule you officially for your install. Before we come out, we're gonna call 811 and they're gonna mark all your lines. Like, look behind you right here, that's an electrical line right there.
Goes down.
So we have to get that marked by 811. There's a Spectrum line over there that was also marked. We ended up pulling it out of the ground. I don't know if you can see it on the driveway there.
Yeah.
Let's just walk this way so you can see more. But yeah, so we ended up pulling the Spectrum line out of the ground. They barely buried it at all. That happens a lot.
Right.
So what we're doing for the customer is we're actually going to rebury it even deeper.
Right.
So we actually use a trencher so that, you know, we can just avoid future damage.
Right.
So anyway, that's basically it for getting started. So she found us, called us, got us out here. We got the permit, got everything approved by the city.
So are they trenching in the back?
And now we're out. Yeah, you want to go see it? All right, so yeah, that's them trenching over here. Yeah, I guess you have any more questions or anything? Or?
Well, what's going on back here? What are they doing? What's going on back here? What are all these lines?
Sure. So these markings right here, what we'll do oftentimes, especially when you have landscaping coming out and you have plans for flower beds and everything, it's very important that we coordinate with your landscaper so we can get the exact lines on where these beds are gonna be. This is gonna be a walkway right here. This is gonna be a flower bed. And this is also gonna be raised up as well. So when we install the heads, they're gonna have to be higher than grade level. These are all things we coordinate with your landscaper. Everything over here is going to be grass. So everything all over here is grass. This is all walkway, this is all walkway, and this is going to be a deck. Right here is going to be a little deck. Then over here is going to be the some pavers, some more pavers. So we trench our main line after the pavers so that we won't get in the way of anything. And as you can see, our guy over here is rolling out some wire. And basically, yeah, so we're gonna do coverage on that side, all grass. And then we're gonna do coverage that side, all grass. If you wanna see the other side, I can show you. So if you're ever wondering what a main line to your sprinkler system is, this is it. So we haven't buried it all the way yet, but you can see it's gonna typically be like a bigger pipe that you're gonna have. It's like the highway for your water system.
Right.
It brings water from your water main line, from the city main line that goes to your house. It brings water from there all throughout your irrigation system to all the specific valves that turn on separate zones. So that's the main line.
All right, well, I think that wraps it up for today, and
yeah,
we'll do another video when we're done.
All right, cool, sounds good.